QuickFooted Buggy. Once there lived a little Lesothosaurus named Buggy. Buggy was really tiny but was quick on his feet. Buggy could reach the finish line before others reached halfway. Though fast, yet he was unhappy with his size. Buggy was playing one morning. He saw a hut on fire and many dinosaurs standing around it, unable to get in. With the doors locked, there was only the chimney hole to enter the hut. Immediately, Buggy got an idea. He quickly jumped into the chimney hole to land straight inside. Before the fire could get him, the quick-footed Buggy ran hard and opened the door to the hut. As soon as the door opened, the trapped family escaped, and everyone praised Buggy. Since then, Buggy was never ashamed of his size. He knew that he didn't need size or strength to be good. All he needed was the willingness to do so. Acceptance. Once there was a giant iguanodon, Iggy. She lived in a huge forest with many other dinosaurs. A herbivore, all she ate were plants, upsetting her friends since she wouldn't hunt with them. One day they got angry and said, "We don't want to be your friends anymore." This upset Iggy a lot. She decided to change for her friends and be a carnivore. As she attempted to change her diet, she just couldn't eat and eventually fell really ill. Her friends got worried. They couldn't understand what happened until the old forest doctor arrived. The doctor told them, "Iggy is an iguanodon. She is different from you. She needs different food than you. She changed her diet, which caused this illness." Iggy's friends felt really sorry. They now understood that everyone is different and should be accepted just as he or she is. The kind Terry. On a faraway beach, a baryonyx family was hunting for fish. The youngest in the family was called Terry. She was the kindest dinosaur ever. She'd help everyone with no selfish motive. But her family did not like it. One day, a group of T-Rex attacked the beach. All dinosaurs ran for their lives, petrified. Terry's whole family was in the water when the attack happened, with nowhere to run. They were prepared for the worst. As soon as the ferocious T-Rex approached them, it was stopped by another T-Rex. Both T-Rexes fought and the attack was prevented. But the family couldn't understand the reason. Once safe, the T-Rex reminded Terry how she had helped a young T-Rex once. It was his sister, and so he felt compelled to save Terry and her family. That moment, Terry's family realized the importance of being kind and helpful, regardless of the results. The Bird and the Giant. Once upon a time, on a tall tree lived a pteranodon, Pete. One day, a diplodocus was munching on the leaves of this tree when he accidentally disturbed Pete's nest. Waking up startled, Pete requested him to be careful. The diplodocus laughed it off and continued eating and again nudged the nest. This time, Pteranodon got angry with the giant dinosaur. Their size difference was so huge that the diplodocus tried to use it to his advantage to scare Pete. But Pete wouldn't take it. Pete flew out of his nest, circled around the giant dinosaur and attacked it with its teeth, injuring it in various spots. The diplodocus least expected the little bird dinosaur Pete to react this way. Nursing his injuries, he asked for forgiveness, realizing that size was never the deciding factor on who's stronger or more capable.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.